Today we are going to make a very quick and easy corn fried rice. For this delicious rice recipe, we need these ingredients. First we can melt butter in a pan and add ginger garlic paste, cinnamon and cloves. Now let's add boiled corn kernels, curry leaves and onions. Then it's time to add carrots, cabbages and capsicum. Mix all the vegetables we put and then add chili pieces, pepper powder and salt as per your taste. Let it saute around 2 to 3 minutes and then add diced tomatoes. Now let's mix the egg with this. If you want, you can scramble the egg before and then add it here. When the egg is fully cooked, we can turn off the flame and combine cooked rice with this. Finally, we can make some spring onions. This corn fried rice we cooked today is very tasty. Hope you enjoyed this tasty rice recipe. To get all of my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel and ring the bell icon. See you soon with another delicious recipe.